is incredibly dependable and independent. The DBMS software is actively accessible on a number of mobile applications. Advantages of SQLite: less time and storage are needed to put it up across platform data and file system format that is reliable and consistent. Cost: the DBMS tool's most recent version is available for free, downloaded by users. 10 best usability testing tools for great user experience. Couchbase: the rapid and analytical growth of your database is the central objective of this DBMS product. For every interactive package, you may create unique replies and establish database across patterns. Additionally, better scalability possibilities for users leads to a continual data supply mechanism. Advantages of Couchbase: the transmission frequency of small and medium sized database is excellent. Corruption of data is prevented by the design. Cost: there is no subscription fee for using Couchbase. Robot 3D: among the dynamic DBMS programs that can manage a lot of workflow is Robot 3D, also called RoboMongo. Is the in the past it is nearly error-free and includes robust built-in functionality. The tool is praised most through for its visually appearing drag and drop query construction capabilities. Advantages of Robot 3D: autom- automating repetitive code is possible. Operators of install shell can auto-complete queries throughout every level, and segment queries can be constructed and split. Cost: the Studio 3D and Robo 3D versions are visible for free installations by consumers. Cloudra: for better data handling and protection, big businesses use Cloudra. The tool is very effective at running separate analytical techniques and has superior efficiency. It also features algorithms for machine learning to comprehend and control applicated and patterns. Advantages of using Cloudra: users benefit from the low likelihood of data lock-ins. A strong connection boosts productivity while cutting costs for businesses. Cost: the cheapest big data processing package costs $4,000 annually. For more information regarding the pricing, you can check their website. 12 best free wireframe tools for UX designers in 2023. HammerDB. HammerDB, one of the least well-known standard database technologies. HammerDB supports a wide range of programming languages and applications. It contains a multi-threaded interface then enables automated data testing for users. Similar to this, you can program a custom testing process in accordance with industry norms. Advantages of HammerDB: